Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So today we will learn the cold backup and hot backup. So taking a database backup is a quite easy task. I have already explained. I have created the maintenance plan also in my previous video. So today just I am going to let you know that taking the backup either with TSQL and the SQL Server Management Studio GUI, you can go to database and right click and you to come to task and then the backup and take it from the console itself. But I am here taking written the script and I am going to take the backup with TSQL of this particular database tech01. Okay, so it's going to execute 60, 70, 80% now completed. So backup is done. Okay, now what we are doing, I'm going to see the database file where it is placed in a physically. So if you select the information from the sys files, sys.sys files, it will give the location of the physically present database MDF and LDF in your server. Okay, so you are aware here, you can go here, you will get the files MDF and LDF. Okay, now what I'm doing, I'm going to take this database offline. Okay, go to console, take offline, or you can use the alter database command also. Okay, so now this database is offline. Okay, so now what we need to do it, we need to go to this location and we will take this MDF and LDF and we will keep it on a shared location where you want to keep the database file. But what I'm trying to say, the difference between these two backups, okay, which we have executed through the TSQL just now and which I have said either we can take it from the GUI. So that backups and the keeping the database MDF and LDF, so there are some difference. Okay, so today's topic was understanding the cold backup and hot backup. Okay, a cold backup is done when there is no user active going on with the system. Okay, it's also known as an offline backup. Okay, and it's taken when the database is not running and user are not logged in. Okay, if you focus this line, so what I did it actually here, I have taken the database offline and just I am going to keeping these files MDF and LDF and keeping in somewhere in a safe location. Whenever it's need, we will attach the database with the help of database files. So keeping this database, taking the database offline and keeping this database files, that is called cold backup. Okay, and what is the hot backup then? A hot backup is taken when the database needs to run all the time. It is an online backup. Okay, what we did it here from TSQL, that is hot backup. So every database, every RDBMS, either you can take it in Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server, the two types of backup. Every RDBMS having two types of backup, cold backup and hot backup. Only you need to understanding this functionality. The hot backup, it's a online backup. When database is running, you can take it the backup. And the offline the cold backup is offline. You can take it database offline and then you can keep your database file in a safer location and later you can attach it. That is called cold backup. Okay, so this my motive to convey the message to you guys today was understanding this backup, cold backup and hot backup, and this is for every database. As I said, for Oracle also, MySQL also, the same functionality. Okay, so hope you got my point, what I try to explain in a short video. In a next video, I will come with another approach, another trip, and we'll meet soon, very soon. Till then, bye bye, thank you. And whoever new on my channel, please go to Tech and Art and as I created the playlist also separate for the SQL Server. Okay, there you will get around, now it's around 103 videos you can go and watch. All are mostly a real-time video which we are doing in a day-to-day activity, mostly covered. You can go and share with others as well if you like this. Bye bye guys, thank you.